if you want to connect your USB flash drive right to your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, grab your USB flash drive, make sure that it's compatible with your phone and it has this USB-C adapter. Now let's grab our phone, let's locate our USB-C charging port, and let's insert our adapter right into our phone. Great. Now let's see whether our phone detects our USB-C adapter. So open up your Files application. Now locate your storage. Locate your internal storage, and as you see, we have all the files right here, and basically that's it. If you want to safely remove your USB flash drive, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, top left corner, locate your USB drive, tap here and press eject, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.